up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Doing a warehouse walk here today. Got over 20 classic cars in stock. We got Impalas, Mustangs, 57 Chevy, Chevelles, Malibus, Fastbacks, Camaros. Got a bunch of stuff. If you stay until the end, we have 2 cars bonus outside, which I will take you through. Guys, if you like classic cars and want to see all of our new classic cars, all of our inventory, please subscribe right now. Pause it, subscribe. This way you can see all the cars as we get them in. Plus, you can watch me go after and chase classic cars. We have a little episode called Chasing Classics that we actually go out and buy. And you can kind of see why people sell cars. All right, guys, going through it. We'll start off on this side, this beautiful, nice 1968 Camaro 396. It's finished in a teal color, black interior. Beautiful inside. It's got the upgraded steering wheel, upgraded gauges, automatic transmission, pretty good shape. Look at that. 396, 375 horses. Underneath is beautiful. All upgrades, MSD ignition, performance radiator, aluminum heads. It's just a nice car. Got this one priced at $42,500. $42,500. Guys, also, we offer financing, credit score of 620 or above, and we can ship it anywhere in the U.S., just so you know, if you didn't know. Next on our list, 66 Mustang Fastback. This is completely restored. This thing's got a 5.0 under the hood, T5 transmission. It's got nice American racing wheels. Interior's in great shape. 5-speed manual, completely upgraded. The owner put about $25,000 in this car, just in mechanics. I have one thing that we are going to be doing. We're going to be fixing this right here. This one's $59,999, 60 G's, but it's completely done. Once we fix that dent on there, the car will need nothing. But I got about $20 or $25,000 in receipts just in mechanical work on this vehicle alone, not including body work, not including anything that was done to it. Undercarriage is spectacular. It's just a nice, clean car. It's got the LED lights up front, got the fog lights, real nice one. All right, guys, moving on. I got a 68 Camaro LS1. This has got an LS1 under the hood, resto mod, weld racing wheels, 6-speed manual transmission. The LS came out of a, I believe, 2009 Corvette. It's got Corvette wheels, Willwood setup, power steering, power brakes, all of it nice and good. Move on over to this Malibu, 65 Malibu SS. Numbers are not matching. It's a 327 under the hood, true SS. This car, guys, I'm going to show you the inside on this. This car is spectacular condition inside. I would say the inside's probably 9 out of 10. Outside, I would say it's probably 7.5 out of 10. But it looks good. True SS. Got this listed for $30,000, which is, I think, a phenomenal price on this. Couple little flaws. You can see a little yellowing here, a little bit here, but solid, 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 solid car. Okay, Camaro is sold, actually, so we're going to skip that one. Now we got this S code 68 390 Mustang with the vinyl top, bench seat. It's been in my private collection.
67.
I'm sorry, 67. 67 390. Chris corrected me on it. Got too many cars and we're just trying to make this video quick. Yeah, 67 right here by Vin. Nice option car, vinyl top, 4-speed, 2-owner car. Got this one listed for, I want to say $34.99. And these big blocks are going for over 40, so I think this one's a competitive price. Okay, next, 89 Camaro RS with 6,000 original miles. This thing has no mileage on it, 5.0 HO, clean interior, T-tops. Nice wheels, all documented miles, ice cold AC, everything works the way it should. Got 22,000 on this one. Moving on, 67 Mustang. This is I would say like a beater. It's got brand new tires on it, runs and drives fine, but it's non-power steering, non-power brakes. Interior's a little beat. Got this one for $14,500. It's a perfect beginner Mustang for somebody. Also another beginner car, 73 Nova. It's got a little bit of rust here and there. 350 under the hood, clean interior, automatic.
So
door doesn't want to shut.
it's so weird. So with this, you literally just have to, and then.
There you go. So something with the latch. Cheap car, 10 grand, guys. 10 G's for a 73 Nova. But it's got little stuff like that going on with it that needs to be fixed. It's a beginner car for somebody. Don't worry about this, Chris. Move on to the Chevelle Malibu SS 64. I was told it's got a 350 under the hood. True.
6-cylinder.
It was originally a 6-cylinder car, non-matching numbers, but it is a true super sport, convertible. Got this one listed for $30,000. This is clean, there's no rust on it. Okay, moving on, we'll move on to this Heavy Chevy. It's I would call it a tribute car. It's by VIN number, it is a true Chevelle. The problem is with the Heavy Chevy in 1972, the only way you can tell it was a true Heavy Chevy is by having the build sheet on it or having the original motor so you can see if it was numbers matching. This has got a 454, so it's not numbers matching. But the undercarriage is beautiful. The guy put $60,000 into this. Racing transmission. I got this one listed for $35,000. Beautiful wheels. I mean, there's a lot of money in this car. It's all built up. Real nice car. We'll go to the other angle of it so you guys can see that. But it's nice inside and out. Back here, 67 Chevelle Malibu, 4-speed. Again, this was originally a 6-cylinder car, but it's got a 350 under the hood. Not much rust at all. It's got one little bubble spot. Where is it at? On the other side here, which I'll show you. If we can squeeze, the rest of the car is nice. One little bubble. Nah, you really can't see it. Just a little bubble spot. But I got this one listed for 30 G's. Undercarriage is perfect. 67, 4-speed, 350 under the hood. This one's got power brakes, power steering, comfortable car to drive. Okay, moving on to the 57 Chevy non-post car, 350 4-speed, beautiful wheels. Car looks good, drives good, still inspected until 2026. Dark blue interior. Basic non-power steering, non-power brake car. 33.5. 33.5. Not bad for a non-post car. Okay, moving on. Cyclone. This is one of, I think, 400 power steering car, power brakes, air conditioning, that works. One owner car. It's 90% original paint. Just a real nice 351 Cleveland. Got this one listed for $27,500, I want to say. I just lowered it. $27,500.
27.
What is it?
28.
28 grand. But you know what? YouTube video, $27,500 I will take for this car. That's $500 off, non-negotiation. Okay. Then we got the 68 Mustang, completely restored. Power steering, power brakes. GT car, $25,000. Let me tell you guys something. We drove this car about 20 miles, and it was one of the best driving Mustangs we've had in a long time. It's not a perfect car, but it's ready for get in, go, drive it, vinyl top. There's no rust. The guy went through a divorce with his wife. Wife sold it to us. Just a nice, nice car. $289,000, $25,000. Finally, we got this Impala we're putting the front bumper on, 64 Impala. It's all been done, all restored. What's it got under the hood, Chris?
It's got a 350.
350. I also got the back seat I got to put in. We're replacing the front bumper. $32,000 buys this car. And then the 78 Dodge truck, $15,000. It's got a 318 under the hood, 4-speed. It's a nice, clean truck. Okay, a couple others, guys, I want to go over with you, so don't leave. Outside. All right, we got this Land Rover, 78 Land Rover, diesel. Okay, this is just a nice one over here. Santana, runs and drives, ready for a new owner. I'm gonna lower this one, I had it for $25,000. I'm gonna lower it to $23,500. $23,500 buys this. And then finally, I want to show you this Impala real quick. I got the 64 Impala. It's matte black. It's got door poppers. You press the button on your keys and the doors pop open. It's got a 350, power steering, power brakes. Just a nice car overall. And this one's $31,000. $31,000 buys it. And it's definitely a cool car. Got one little touch up I got to do to it. Get it detailed. Leave me a comment, guys. What do you think about these no door handles? You think that's pretty cool? Press the button, they pop out. If the battery dies, there's a special way you can open it, which I won't review. But velour interior, automatic. All right, guys, if you like our classic car shop, please hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see new classic cars. Appreciate you checking out our page. God bless the USA. Talk to you guys later.